Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm 23 years old, from São Paulo, Brazil. At 1st of February, I'm going to Brisbane to spend my next 4 months studying English, working and learning a new culture. I am graduated in biology at Mackenzie University, specialization courses at São Paulo University of Marine Biology and Oceanography, Aquarism and Snake Captivity Creation. I am a dive master PhD with nitrox, wreck and night dive specializations. I worked in Guarujá Aquarium, São Paulo Botanic Garden and some other places. I really would like to work at Hamilton Island, dive, take pictures and make movies of the biggest uninhabited island in the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the biggest living organism in the world, more than 2,000 kilometers of extension, 400 species of corals, and 1,500 species of fishes, some sharks, rays and turtles. Choose me and you will never regret.